Hello friends, I am CA Pratiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, sometimes we are working in Excel and we have done many work, but we forgot to save the Excel file and we have to lose our data. So in today's video, we will see how to recover the unsaved data in Excel. So I will today show you the two ways, and the method will be depend upon the version which you are using. So please watch the video entirely so that according to your version of Excel, you can apply the method. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel so that when I will upload the new video, you will get the same in the notification. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family so that they can also recover their unsaved Excel file. Let's see, friends. Friends, let's take an example. This is my database, and you will observe the file name is book1. So I have not saved this file. And when we are in hurry, we will immediately close this file. I will just close this file. So Excel will guide you whether you want to save the file. Here we have to say either yes or you have to say don't save. And accidentally we will click on this don't save button. Then immediately question will arise in your mind. Where to get this file? Isn't it way? Yes. For that you have to just open a blank Excel file. So the Excel file is open. Here you have to click on this file menu. Here there are two ways to get the file. First I will show you the simple way. Click on this open button. Here at the bottom of the screen you will observe the option is recover unsaved workbooks. So the option will depend upon the which Excel version you are using. Right now I am using Excel 2019. In Excel 2016 you will also get this type of option somewhere this menu. And the other way is there, click on this info. In that the option is manage workbook. I will just click on this. Here we will see recover unsaved workbook option is there. I will just do a click on this. Here the box will open. It will take you to the location where the file is saved. So I will just select the book one. You will observe the time is 16 June. And I will just click on this open file. Oh, the magic is there. My data is there. But the important point is this is a recovered unsaved file. So what first you have to click on this save as button and select the file location where you want to save. For a moment I will save on the desktop. The name is thick data and I will just click on the save. I will just close this file. I will close the blank file. Let's check on the desktop whether file is there and data is there. I will click on this thick data. You will wonder you can recover the unsaved data, and this is the first technique. Now friends, we will see the second method to recover our unsaved file. Please focus on this technique because in older version also you can apply this technique. Let's take an example. This is my data file which is not saved. As you can check, the file name is book2. I have not saved the file. For that, let's begin friends. First click on this file. In that you just go down and check the options is there. I will just do a click on options. In that the box will be open. Then you have to identify the save option. Yeah. In that I will just check or I will show you the save auto recover information every 1 minute. In your PC it might be 10 minutes. So you have to reduce it to 1 minute. Meaning thereby Excel will automatically save your file after every 1 minute. And the another tick is there, keep the last auto record version. If I close without saving means if I will close my file without the saving, then where to save? Here by default this path may be there in your PC, that we have to change. And I will just delete it up to app data. I will just remove this. Now what to write, that is most important. Now I will write local. Again we have to insert this backspace, then Microsoft, then again backslash, then you have to write OFFICE office, then again backspace, and you have to write unsaved files, then again backslash. Don't forget to last insert the backslash. Now we have to apply the same setting in MS Word also. So what I will do, I will just copy this. How to copy this? Just select and press Ctrl A. and just press Ctrl C and press OK. So the same setting will be applied in Excel. Now we will apply the same in MS Word also. I will open this blank Word file. In that I will click on this file menu. Again we have to go at the same place, options. In that click on save. Now I will change this location and I will press Ctrl V. You will see the location or the path has been changed. And I will press OK. I will close the Word file. I will also close this Excel file so that we can check whether the file has been recovered or not. The file name is book2. I will just close the file. Now where to check? What I will do? I will just click on this PC. As you are aware, we have already copied the path. So I will just go in this location and I will type Ctrl V because we have already copied the path. And I will press enter. Here we will see the book 1 and book 2 both are appearing. Now I will just click on this book 2. Oh, see friends, our file has been recovered without any loss of data. Now what you have to do? Just click on save as button and you can save the file at your desired location. So I will type final data and I will just save the file and you will see the file has been on the desktop. Hope friends I have added some knowledge to you. If you feel the video is good, please like, subscribe the channel. Thank you friends. Keep smiling. Take care.